Ever had a vision for a character but struggled to bring it to life? What if you could generate character design instantly with endless variations to refine later? Let me introduce you to Shakker AI, the tool that can turn ideas into visuals with just a few words. Today we are exploring how to use Shakker AI to create early stage character design. This tool can be a game changer for anyone working on games, comics, or animations. Let's say you are designing a character for a fantasy games. You can just start by entering a prompt and Shaker's AI model will generate unique, detailed visuals based on your description.
The link is available in the video description. Shaker AI is a state-of-the-art platform that leverages artificial intelligence to help users create high-quality images from scratch or transform existing ones. With the Shaker generator, users have access to tools that make it easy to bring their artistic version to life. Whether you are working with flex models, exploring artistic photography, or creating stylish illustrations, Shaker AI has powerful options to suit your needs. Let's start by exploring the homepage of Shaker AI. To create a free account, click the sign up button. You can sign up with your Discord or Gmail account. Upon registration, you will receive 400 free credits to generate images at no cost. When you first visit the site, you will notice its clean and user-friendly interface. The homepage features a vast gallery of AI-generated images, showcasing the capabilities of the platform's Flex and Excel models. These models deliver high-quality visuals across a variety of artistic styles, allowing users to see the full range of what the AI can produce. You can preview and download any image you like, making it easy to save your favorite creation. To generate AI images using your own prompts, simply click the AI generator option. Here you can enter custom text prompts, select from the available models, and instantly create stunning high-quality images. Shaker AI offers a wide selection of base and enhanced models to suit different needs, whether you are looking for a standard model or an advanced. Once you have selected a model on Shaker, customize your image generation by choosing an image size that suits your needs. You can also specify the number of images you want to create in a single session. Next, enter a prompt describing your desired image. The AI will generate visuals based on your description. After a moment, you will see beautiful AI images related to your prompt and chosen model. If you are satisfied with the result, you can easily download the images or use the in-paint feature to make edits, allowing for adjustments to details like hair color, eye color, and clothing. Another useful feature is the Remove BG option, which allows you to eliminate backgrounds from your images. Once you are happy with your AI generated image, you can download it and use it for your project. Next, let's explore the fluorescent painting. Start by selecting the model, choosing the image size and the number of images to generate, and entering a prompt describing what you want to create. This process will showcase the unique capabilities of the fluorescent painting model. The results are three beautiful images generated based on your prompt. Shaker also offers an image-to-image option. This tool allows you to upload an existing image and use it as a base to create variation or enhance specific elements, transforming the original while retaining its core features. Let's now try using the fashion portraits with texture model. Choose your desired image size and the number of images to generate. Enter your prompt and the model will generate visuals tailored to your specification. You can review the results and decide whether to download or further edit them. Let's explore another fantastic model, Trash Bag Art, as it consistently delivers impressive results. Begin by selecting the model, then choose your desired image size and the number of images you would like to generate. Once you have entered your prompt, you can look forward to stunning visuals that highlight the model's full potential. It's always an exciting experience. Each creation brings unique and unexpected outcomes. Shakker AI is an incredible powerful platform that simplifies the creation of stunning images using advanced AI models, from customizing your images to removing backgrounds and making edits. The platform enhances your artistic workflow, making it accessible for both beginners and professionals. So thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more content and leave a comment with your thoughts or questions about the platform. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you in the next one.